Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. When we start making films or creating content for our audience, the usual dilemma is, should I make something that I like or should I make something that my audience like? It's a totally two different things, and we are going to deep dive onto that today. Let's start with personal films. And when I say personal films, that means it's driven by your experience, something very personal, emotional, and it's pure art, your own inner voice, or something you want to express. Like, regardless how many views you get, how many people share, you don't care, because it's your own expression of freedom that you just want to let it out. And the other one is professional, and that kinds of bring me to talk about the content filmmaking. The moment we talk about content creation, we have to bring audience into the picture, because by just making art films or by just making personal emotional films, you won't be able to sustain. And if you want to play this as a long-term game, somewhere down the line you have to think about the audience, and again it should align with your vision and the kind of mission that you want to create. When you talk about content creation, when you talk about professional filmmaking, when you talk about films that going to build your audience in a long term, it's not about you, it's about them. And that's why the best solution is every year you make two films, one for yourself and one for your audience. And also I have written a content filmmaker mindset booklet. I will put the link in the description, so you want to check that out and download that free booklet if you are starting your journey as a content filmmaker, and why everyone is content creator nowadays. Whether you are a filmmaker, even if you are an actor, or if you are a producer, doesn't matter, everyone is going to be a content filmmaker. So with that perspective, I have written some tools that's going to help you to start your journey. And again, if you are already into this game and if you want to continue and just get some clarity on how to build the audience and what are the things that you should keep in mind, then you can definitely check that out. So thanks for your time and hope you have a nice day. Cheers.